Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class. Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss finance, banking and insurance, second part. Chapter 2, Central Bank. This is the first lecture in this chapter. After watching these lectures, you will able to answering the following topics. First, the basic concept of central bank, definition of central bank, history of central bank, and most influential central banks in the world. Dear students, let's in the details. Basis of central bank. Central bank an independent national authority affects financial institutions. Monetary policy. Conduct monetary policy, regulates banks, and provides financial services like economic research. And third, currencies or exchange rate. Goals include establishing the nation's currency and keeping unemployment low, preventing inflations. Dear students, look at the image and try to understand the central bank. First, central bank is an independent financial institutions all over the world, and most apex financial institutions are top level financial institutions. Secondly, central bank control monetary policy and published monetary policy and regulates the others bank in the country. And third, central bank issues notes and currencies and control foreign exchange rates. Dear students, now we'll see the definition of central bank. A central bank is an independent national authority that conducts monetary policy, regulates banks, and provides financial services including economic research. Its goals are to stabilize the nation's currency, keep unemployment low, and prevent inflation. Central bank is the apex financial institutions of the country that administers the operations of the banking system. The bank manages and controls the expansion and contraction of the supply of money in the economy. Economists and scholars define central bank by their own views. According to Ace Collin, central bank is the main government-controlled bank in a country which controls the financial affairs of the country by fixing main interest rates, issuing currency, supervising the commercial banks, and controlling the foreign exchange rate. According to Professor Keys, a central bank is a bank whose essential duty is to maintain the stability of the monetary standard. And according to Hatre, central bank is the lender of the last resort. According to Bank of International Settlement, a central bank is the bank in any country to which has been entrusted the duty of regulating the volume of currency and credit in that country. According to Samuelson, every central bank has one function. It operates to control economy, supply of money and credit. According to Vera Smith, the primary definition of central bank is the banking system in which a single bank has either a complete or residuary monopoly of note issue. After analyzing above all discussion, we can say the main purpose of this bank is to develop the economic condition. Issuance of note is the sole duty of central bank. This is the apex financial institutions of the country. It has given the duty to lead the total economic system. It is the banker of other banks. The fundamental task of the controlling the monetary policy. It maintains the equity in the economy and keeps the standard value of money. A central bank can be a lender of last resort to troubled financial institutions and even governments. Dear students, now I will discuss the history of central bank. The Swedish Riksbank. This is the image of the Swedish Riksbank. The history of central banking goes back at least to the 17th century, to the founding of the first institution recognized as a central bank, the Swedish Riksbank, established in 1668 as a joint stock bank. It was chartered to lend the government funds and to act as a clearinghouse for commerce. Bank of England. Dear students, this is the image of Bank of England. Bank of England was the world's first effective central bank that was established in 1694. The Bank of England was the first to acknowledge the role of lender of last resort. the Bank of England is being called the mother of all central banks of the world. This is the image of Brussels Financial Conference 1920. As per the resolutions passed in Brussels Financial Conference 1920, all countries should establish a central bank for interest of world cooperations. Thus, since 1920, central banks are formed in almost every country of the world. This is the image of Bangladesh Bank. Dear students, this is the Central Bank of Bangladesh. Bangladesh Bank, the central bank and apex regulatory body for the country's monetary and financial system, was established in Dhaka as a body corporate by the Bangladesh Bank Order 1972, that means President Order number 127 on the 31st October 1972, with effect from 16 December 1971. At present, it has 10 offices located at Motizil, Sodorghat, Chittagong, Khulna, Bogura, Rajshahi, Sylhet, Borishal, Rangpur, and Momishing in Bangladesh. Dear students, now we will discuss the most influential central bank in the world. This is the image of the Central Bank of USA. The Federal Reserve System is the central banking system of the United States of America. It was founded December 23, 1913. Dear students, this is the European Central Bank. The European Central Bank is the central bank of Europe, Eurozone, a monetary union of 19 European member states which employ the euro. Headquarters Frankfurt, Germany, founded June 1, 1998. Dear students, this is the image of the Bank of England. The Bank of England is the central bank of the United Kingdom. It was founded July 27, 1694. Dear students, all are already know this is the mother of all central bank. Dear students, this is the image of Japan's central bank. The Bank of Japan is the central bank of Japan. It was founded October 10, 1882. Now, the Swiss National Bank is the central bank of Switzerland, founded January 16, 1906. Dear students, this is the Bank of Canada, is a crown corporation and Canadians central bank, founded March 1935. Dear students, this is the image of the Reserve Bank of Australia. The Reserve Bank of Australia is Australia's central bank, founded January 14, 1960. Dear students, this is the image of Reserve Bank of New Zealand. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand is the central bank of New Zealand. It was established 1934. This is the image of the People's Bank of China. Is the central bank of the People's Republic of China. It was founded 1st December 1948. And last, the Reserve Bank of India is India's central bank, and it was founded 1st April 1935. Dear students, I hope all are understood what is the central bank and history of central bank and the top 10 central bank all over the world. Thank you.